Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
Fuck all that. Wait. I go by J, really. We are Tonight Our Name Is. Alright, so this first one we about to get into is called Nature of the Beast. By beast I mean demonic energies, negative shit, you know what I mean? Bad influences. Alright, let's get into it. We all after the wealth, but understand that your health is so important and your soul so underfelt, frail, fragile like glass sent through the mail. But your delivery never rang bells, no wonder we never got it. Niggas out here too cocky and overconfident, probably off that Molly, no name, but you cleaned up, slinging in that lobby, pain blinded, devilish ways, but fuck it, we gotta raise. Yeah. 5, see me in the streets, yeah. Trying to make ends meet like a bracelet, risky whiskey poured at the flick of the wrist, just wishing that I exist. Fuck it, I'm off of the clip, was off in the aqua, kid Andre 3000's out of was inside, beside in the sin from the clean. I ain't been clean since seeing the devil that is. What you saying to him? Damn, I'm my business, I'm over you doing some dumb shit. Yeah. Packing a full clip like pack music, I shouldn't pack, but the past being used without you getting past is practically useless. The evil, hey, say to Jesus, say so, reason, hey, the evil, hey, say to Jesus, say so, reason. Check it out. 3 a.m. cruising in a whip, faded as shit, low-key depressed from the pressure that I've been in. Press on the gas a little harder just to feel my face in the wind. Pass this kid up walking, I saw the gold on his wrist, looking like he just left the club without his bitch and got ditched. It's the perfect chance of robbing him, running low on confidence. Already parked the car a little ahead of his footprints. Ironically, I was already dressed in all black. Fuck it, I'm ready to rob like Black Rob. Gets us a double entendre, adding an S, cause blacks rob and not do it the best. This requires no finesse, I ain't playing none of this. This is happening because of stress. So ran up on him and pointed the gun to his chest. Give me the watch off of your wrist, your wallet, your phone, your Nikes off of your feet. Now that's checked off the list. Now kick rocks with your socks and thank God that I let you live. He turned and ran, I ran back to the whip, filled with adrenaline. Drove off but didn't make it to the crib before a cop pulled me over saying I fit the description. Right after my license was given, I'm sweating, just wishing to get out of this. But then the guns were drawn, yelling, get out of the car. They tackled me, putting the cuffs on. Then the gun went off. But then I wake up from an alarm, shaking my head, yeah, just thanking God. Then I get another chance, fucking 3 a.m. the time you stepped in, the devil's den. The E, hey, E, say, Jesus, say, read, the E, hey, E, say, Jesus, say, read,
feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high.